Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today in our video we will talk about mystical Makli. Hidden away near the historic city of Thatta in Pakistan, Sindh province lies a place that time seems to have forgotten. Makli Necropolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the enduring power of human creativity, spirituality, and cultural heritage. This ancient cemetery holds a treasure trove of mausoleums, each with a story to tell, and serves as a mesmerizing journey through centuries of history. As you enter the vast expanse of Makli, you will quickly realize that this isn't just any ordinary graveyard. Its history dates back to the 14th century, and its name Makli is derived from the term Makyala, meaning a place of rest. One of the most captivating aspects of Makli is its architectural diversity. The site is a museum of diverse styles, from traditional Islamic designs to more unique and intricate patterns. The tombs and mausoleums have showcased a tapestry of influences, reflecting the dynamic cultural changes that swept over the region through the centuries. They speak of the artistic flair and expertise of their builders. While Makli Necropolis is an architectural wonder, it's also a repository of spirituality and devotion. It houses the tombs of numerous Sufi saints whose teaching and wisdom continue to inspire generations. These spiritual leaders play a vital role in the cultural and religious life of this region. Sufism, a mystical and inward dimension of Islam, places great emphasis on spiritual closeness to the divine. Many of these revered Sufis are buried at Makli, their mausoleums becoming places of pilgrimage for followers who seek solace and blessings. One such mausoleum is that of the Saint Sheikh Isa Khan Tarkhan II, a striking example of the artistic beauty to be found at Makli. It features an impressive dome and delicate plasterwork, reflecting the grandeur and devotion of the time. Within the mausoleum, the saint's tomb stands as a symbol of spiritual enlightenment. Makli's grandeur lies not only in the sheer number of mausoleums, but also in the exquisite details that adorn them. Ornate stone screens, intricate plasterwork, and decorative tiles grace the facades, showcasing the skill and artistry of the craftsmanship who toil to create these splendid structures. These intricate designs make it evident that the architects and artisans of Makli left no stone unturned in their quest for architectural perfection. The mausoleum of Isa Khan Tarkhan II, mentioned earlier, is a prime example of this craftsmanship. Its central dome, adorned with blue and turquoise tiles, leaves visitor in awe of the stunning artistry of this era. Each tile, carefully placed by hand, forms a mesmerizing pattern that seems to whisper stories of the past. The Makli Necropolis is not just a silent monument, but a living testament to the rich history and culture of Sindh. Each structure within its confines serves as a window into a different era. As you explore the site, you might come across the tomb of Jam Nizamuddin II, known for its elegant design and delicate details, or the Isa Khan Tarkhan I mausoleum, which stands as a remarkable example of the tomb gate structure. While Makli grandeur is evident, there is more to the site than meet the eye. It's a place where legends are etched in stone and history is preserved in every crevice. The site's countless stories, whispers of forgotten heroes, and accounts of bygone eras will captivate anyone with an interest in history and culture. Makli Necropolis is not just an artifact, it's a living reminder of the region's rich cultural tapestry. The architecture tells of the artistic brilliance that once flourished here, while the tombs echo the profound influence of Sufi saints on the local way of life. The UNESCO World Heritage designation recognizes the need to protect this valuable site, preserving it for future generations. Scholars, historians, and archaeologists continue to study Makli, unrevealing the mysteries that lie beneath its ancient surface. As you stand amidst the labyrinths of stones and histories at Makli Necropolis, you will feel transported back in time. Each structure is like a page from a history book, telling tales of devotion, artistic genius, and the cultural riches that Sindh has nurtured. Do show some love and respect to my channel, and do like, share, and subscribe. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.